In today's video, I will show you about the basic structure of the nose. Consists of four distinct planes, the top, the two sides plane and the base. Let's see how we can draw the nose here. First of all, we will draw basic structure which will help a lot in drawing any kind of nose. In any way you can try up by yourself. This is basic structure of nose. This is basic structure of nose. As you can see in the video. Now we will turn this shape into a real nose which will look more realistic. You must first learn the basic way of drawing a nose. As you can see, here is reflection and the dark side is on right one. You must shade it to make it look better. And it will turn out to be a nose. As we can see, the shapes of noses will turn out to be like this. It's all depending on your shading skills. How will you shade your noses? How will you make it up? It depends on your skill and your working practice every day. As you can see, this nose, this is a basic structure of nose. Keep practicing, my friends, to make it look better. Keep shading the edges and all corners to bring it in a proper shape. Thank you very much, friends, for watching this video. Keep improving, keep working. Thank you very much.